Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn about the toolbar in Adobe After Effects. It's a set of tools right at the top of your screen that you will use all the time. So this is the toolbar, and this toolbar has all the tools that you're going to be using. You're going to be using these main tools for drawing, typing, moving things around, drawing, selecting, and so on. So let's go over a few of the most important ones. For example, we have the selection tool. The selection tool will help you to move and select layers in your composition. And we have the hand tool, which helps you to move around your canvas without moving your layers. So basically it just helps you to move them around without interrupting with your layers. And we have the zoom tool. This one basically just click to zoom in and zoom out. And we have the shape tool. This one helps you to draw different shapes like the rectangles, the circles, and all other shapes. And the next to it is the pen tool. And the pen tool is great for creating custom shapes or path. And we have the text tool. The text tool is what you will use to add words or titles. And tools like the rotation tool or the pen behind the tool help you to adjust how layers rotate or move. Each tool has more options. Just click each of it and click and hold on the icon to see them. Don't worry if it feels like a lot right now. You will get used to this quickly as you practice. That is it for this quick overview of the toolbar. In the next video we will actually use these tools to create something cool. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy After Effects tutorials. Thank you.